Close your eyes and allow yourself to settle into a comfortable position. Letting your body relax and release any tension it may be holding. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, feeling your lungs expand as they fill with air. Hold the breath for a moment, then exhale fully through your mouth, letting go of any stress or worries. Continue breathing at a gentle, natural pace, noticing the soothing rhythm of your breath flowing in and out. With each exhalation, feel yourself sinking deeper into a state of peaceful relaxation. Now, bring your awareness to the base of your spine, where your root chakra is located. Visualize a glowing red orb of energy spinning there, grounding you and connecting you to the earth. Allow this grounding energy to flow upward, illuminating your sacral chakra with a vibrant orange light. Feel a sense of creative vitality and emotional balance awakening within you. Next, focus on your solar plexus chakra, shining with a radiant yellow glow. Embrace your inner strength, confidence, and personal power residing in this energy center. Shift your attention higher to your heart chakra, emanating a beautiful green light. Open yourself to unconditional love, compassion, and healing for yourself and others. Visualize your throat chakra activating with a brilliant blue luminescence. Trust in your ability to speak your truth and express yourself authentically. Between your brows, your third eye chakra blossoms with an indigo hue. Intuition and insight flow freely as the center of wisdom and perception awakens. Finally, at the crown of your head, your seventh chakra shimmers with a purplish white light. Feel your connection to the divine, to universal consciousness and infinite wisdom. With all your chakras open and aligned, you are now attuned to access the profound healing energy of the Cave of Brahma, that inner sanctuary of spiritual connection and rejuvenation. Envision yourself standing at the entrance of a sacred cave, a portal to the divine source of creation. Step inside, leaving the ordinary world behind as you cross the threshold. The cave embraces you with its womb-like warmth and stillness. In the velvety darkness, a soft light begins to glow, illuminating the space with an ethereal radiance. You find yourself drawn deeper into the cave, following the light as it grows brighter with each step. The atmosphere hums with a palpable energy, ancient and holy. At the heart of the cave, you discover an altar, upon which a golden chalice rests. This is the cup of healing, brimming with liquid light, the purest essence of restorative energy from the divine source. Approach the altar and take the chalice into your hands. Feel the warmth emanating from the consecrated vessel, infusing your body with its healing power. Gaze into the luminous elixir, seeing it imbued with the intention for your mother's healing. Every sip from this chalice will carry the vibrational remedy to restore her vision. Raise the cup to your lips and drink deeply, feeling the healing essence flow through you, filling every cell with its regenerative power. Each drop is encoded with the divine blueprint for perfect sight. Now hold this image, the wisdom of the Cave of Brahma, in your heart and mind. You are surrounded by a cocoon of shimmering light, enveloped in a field of pure healing energy. Visualize the sacred elixir you've imbibed flowing from your heart center across time and space to merge with your mother's energy field. Watch as it streams into your eyes, suffusing them with radiant, restorative light. Sense the medicine being injected into your eyes, mingling with the divine healing essence. Each drop is exponentially potentiated, working in perfect synergy to regenerate and rejuvenate your retinas, macula, and optic nerves. Witness your eyes transforming both with and without medication, the tissues plump and supple, the delicate structures within regaining their youthful vitality and function. Envision the macular degeneration dissolving, the damaged cells replaced by healthy, vibrant new growth. Say silently or aloud, "My body is designed to heal itself." Affirm silently or aloud, "Every drop of medicine works in harmony with my body intelligence to restore my sight. Every cell in my eyes remembers its innate perfection and regenerates itself now. With each breath and heartbeat, my vision grows clearer, sharper, and more vibrant. My body knows exactly how to heal, guided by the wisdom of the divine source." As you hold this vision of healing, feel your own connection to the limitless power of the Cave of Brahma. You are a conduit for this sacred healing energy, a channel through which miracles flow. Each time you listen to this meditation, you strengthen the energetic link between you and the source of all healing. Trust that this practice ignites your body's innate capacity to self-repair and regenerate. Take a moment to surrender any doubts or fears to the light, releasing them to be transmuted into faith and trust. You are divinely supported on this healing journey. Now, begin to bring your awareness back to your physical body and your breath. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling your connection to the present moment. When you're ready, open your eyes, carrying the healing energy and intentions with you as you return to your day. Know that the blessings of the Cave of Brahma continue to work through you, restoring health, wholeness, and perfect sight. Remember, your body has the innate power to heal. And you can tap into that reservoir of regenerative life force at any time. Each cell carries the imprint of divine perfection, just waiting to emerge. Trust in the journey and know that with each passing day, my vision is growing clearer, more vibrant, and full of light. The healing has already begun.